DJI Mavic 3 Pro 2.0. Unboxing, setup, first flight. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I went ahead and I purchased a DJI Mavic 3 Pro again, so this is why I'm calling it Mavic 3 Pro 2.0. This deal was incredible. It was brand new, sealed in the box with a DJI RC Pro, and it was $1,000 under retail. Yes, you heard me right, it was $1,000 under retail. So today, let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing and setup. Go ahead and unbox the DJI Mavic 3 Pro with the RC Pro controller that I found on eBay for $1,000 less than retail. There it is. There's a QR code on the box. Let's go ahead and get the case out of the box here. And it's heavy because there's a lot in it. There's a secondary box here as well. Let's go ahead and pack up the cardboard box here. Get it out of the way. There's the Mavic 3 Pro itself. We'll set that aside for now. Propellers, the RC Pro controller. Another accessory box here. And here we have some instructions. So let's go ahead and see what's in the white box here. Or, excuse me, let's go ahead and see what's in the black box here. Now these are the batteries. One on either side. And we'll set this box aside here. Boy, this plastic is tough to open here. Okay, that is the charging base for the Mavic 3 Pro. And there's a USB-C cable right here. Boy, this plastic's really hard to open here. Oh, this one is very stubborn. And we finally got that open here. There's a DJI decal. And it looks like quick start guide. And warranty information. Go ahead and set those aside. Let's go ahead and open up the RC Pro. Some of this plastic's easier to open than others. And there's a screen protector on the RC Pro. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. It's incredible. It is just an absolutely fantastic controller. Get one of the batteries out here. Let's go ahead and open up the other battery. Boy, like I said, some of these are not so hard to open. Others are very difficult to open. You can see all the information on the battery itself. Now here's an accessories box. Let's see what's all in here. Okay, that looks like the ND filters case. Or no, I think that's... looks like the adapter here. This one was easy to open, but difficult to come out. Yeah, that is the AC. There's the adapter there. And there's 2 USB ports on it. You see, that is not a US plug, but I have plenty of US plugs, so that's no concern for me. There is another USB cable there. And the rest of that box appears to be empty. Okay, this is the filters case here. I'm not a big filters person, but it is very nice for those of you that are filters persons that they include this with it. It's an all-inclusive package here. It's very nice. And they set it up in a nice case, and it's easy to open. 4 filters, that's very nice. And now for the Mavic 3 Pro itself. Actually has a fairly decent gimbal guard and strap system on it to hold the props in place. And it's easy to take on and off. I do like that. Of course, DJI puts a lot of pieces of protector. There's a foam protector that's around the gimbal that you do need to remember to take off. They do have that on most of their drones. And there's quite a few stickers on the drones as well, too. That one on the gimbal's a little on the stubborn side. Yeah, that's going to require some patience to get that one off, that's for sure. You can see the battery is in it, and it's probably been sitting for a while because there is no charge on the battery. So, but that's not a issue at all, and that's Mavic 3 Pro. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the first flight of the Mavic 3 Pro. Okay, we're going to take my second DJI Mavic 3 Pro up for its first flight. We have 20 satellites, and I'm going to go ahead and get screen recording started here. Okay, data is underway. We're going to start shooting at 4K 30 or 4K 60, excuse me. All right, that is underway. 18 satellites. Let's go ahead and take off. Okay, we are good to go here. It's a very overcast day today here. It's in the probably mid 70s or so. Let's get it up to about 100 feet. I do have a bit of a breeze here today. We'll adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. All right, let's go ahead and take this out here. You know, we are expecting some rain today, so that's why I wanted to get out here a little on the early side to go ahead and get this flight in. Let's take it over to the court area over there. There's nobody in the pool. It's a little on the cool side today here. Very comfortable, very nice. And here's the courts. Handling very well. Very impressed. And there's the home point. Just to let you know, I was able to secure this Mavic 3 Pro with a DJI RC Pro and its Flymore combo. It was $1,000 under retail on eBay. Yeah, you heard me right. $1,000 under retail, which was absolutely fantastic here. And go ahead past the entrance here, and we're going to take it down to 301. Really like the RC Pro. It is an excellent controller. I am very pleased with it. I just could not pass up this deal, and also in terms of getting prepared for what's about to happen December 23rd, which we don't know, and it's better to be prepared than not prepared. So 88% battery here. Everything looking really, really good. The clarity on the RC Pro controller is absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and stop here. And then we're going to take a look at 301 northbound. Traffic up there. This is a lazy Sunday day today here. And let's go ahead and take a look at it southbound. Pointing towards Sun City Center over there. All right, let's go down. We're going to go down to where I used to fly from. And then we're going to come back and show the entrance there. And we'll maybe take a peek at the Christmas decorations, see how they are. Everything's doing real well. 84% battery, 146 feet and 33 miles an hour. And you probably saw a video that I had put out earlier about being prepared. I have purchased extra batteries, propellers. I've even gotten a backup DJI Air 3S as well too. I've gotten a backup RC Pro 2 controller, which it hasn't arrived yet. There's still some things that are coming. Most of the items I purchased were from South Korea. I'd say most of them I purchased were from China, believe it or not. A few from South Korea, some of the bigger ticket items. And the ones from China have speed pack shipping, which you know it's going to be notoriously slow. Almost all the ones from South Korea have FedEx, which is very nice. And their sellers are real responsive over there. Again, the responsiveness on the Mavic 3 Pro is absolutely fantastic. And the clarity on the RC Pro is equally as well. And just to let you guys know what I'm planning on doing here when I get everything situated and squared away, I'm going to be doing some daily flights with these to keep the batteries in check. And we're going to be rotating the batteries. I did get extra batteries for each one of these, including the Neo 2. So, like I said, I want to rotate them and try to keep them fresh over the next time period here. We're going to go past the entrance here. And we're going to take a look at the fountain and the entrance itself. Okay, let's go ahead and do that here. Back up a little bit. So let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal a little more. Let's go ahead and take a peek in here at the fountain. You can see it is decorated for Christmas here. Looks very nice. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the clubhouse here. Take a look. It is decorated as well. You can see the garland around there. Looks very nice. They did a fantastic job with that. Okay. Well, I think we've gotten a good test in. Let's go ahead and return to home here.
Return to home.
74% battery. 7 minutes into the flight. It's look really, really good. Forgot how quiet the Mavic 3 Pro is. It really is very, very quiet. I'm going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. I see it, but I can't hear it, which is really, that's the way I think a drone should be. Be able to see it and not hear it here. Let's go ahead and see how we do.
Landing.
Looks like we're going to be spot on here. A textbook landing. That was pretty much a flawless flight for the first time for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro 2.0. All in all, impressed right out of the gate with the Mavic 3 Pro. It is absolutely an incredible drone, easy to fly. Really like the RC Pro. It's an excellent controller. The clarity on it is absolutely fantastic. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mavic 3 Pro 2.0 unboxing, setup, first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.